Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. I'm going to talk about NIO. Ticker symbol is NIO, NIO. Well, folks, before I start, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals and some important news that came out today. I'm going to quickly show the video that I posted yesterday, and I mentioned about healthy pull coming, right? Or is dip coming? So this is what I was expecting, and I discussed on my previous video, which was published yesterday, and it did occur today. And the reason is being that because we were creating high highs on that, we needed some sort of pullback, reset a little bit, and go create a high highs, right? I'm always gonna share with you guys what we're looking for the forecast, even we're looking as a bull run or as a bear run to expect it since we're having a massive bull run for past a week and a half, right? This video is also going to be in the link, so feel free to check out. Let's talk about the news that came out. I have a couple of news that came out today, and I wanted to share with you guys why NIO was trading higher today, right? The good news, the NIO series is coming on its way for this latest construction of the second factory. The video that I've also made about talking about the second factory coming through for NIO, right? Because their goal, once the factory starts running, NIO's available production capacity is about 20,000 vehicles a month, and the maximum for 10,000 currently, right? So right now, yeah, we are making for the monthly, we're roughly between 7 to 10,000 vehicles, right? And additionally, the company will provide in May delivery, stating deliveries climbed from 95% year to over year, 6,700 vehicles accumulated deliveries of ES8, ES6, EC6, May 31st to reach up to 109,514 vehicles, right? This is what I wanted to have a quick guidance on that, like the news that came out later today. And also the top 10 stocks, you need to get it for next 10 years, right? So the news that came out also was the NIO is one of the most notable EV stock in the market. The Chinese company shares recently be upgraded to buy from neutral by CD, which was a week ago. Then the news broke out. CD's increased from $58.30. Our shares have been gaining a whooping of 500% over 12 months, right? So also the hedge funds, right? So ARK Invest, Sam Koros recently said that China's latest policy to provide its EV subsidy vehicles priced at 45,700 or less companies instead of those offering battery swapping could help NIO, right? So NIO also, remember folks, NIO does both for the battery swap, for battery swapping services, and also charging your vehicles, EV vehicles like Tesla does it, XPeng and Li Auto. We have like about 8 minutes left. We have $45.30 for the day. We're going to talk more later on the stock. Let's talk about the stock on technical side. I have a couple more news, folks, so stay tuned. Don't go away because I have key information I want to share with you guys. So yeah, what do we do today? Like pre-market, I was watching it. We were like $46.59, and then we opened up, and then we really came down at $45.33, trying to break this resistance, which is acted as a support in previous, and we fell through, and we came down all the way. Of low of today was $45.04, and then we're trading on a little bit on the down trade, and then we had this massive run, came from all the way from $45.17 to $45.87. What happened was that the news that broke out came in, and which was discussed on my previous video, was about the NIO ES8 receives the approval of the mass production in Europe, right? This is massive, folks. This is massive. NIO have announced they received a European whole vehicle type approval which is called EWVTA for the flagship SUV of ES8 for the essential certification to allow for mass production of ES as well as the licensing plate registration in countries in EU. So that's European United Nations. So that's a whole like we knew we had a submission. They got approval on that. So the news that came out was nothing new on that. We know they already have the approval was sent in, and approval was done. And the news that came out later kind of pushed up stock price later today, and then we had a pullback today. Also today, NIO's William Lee expects, right, the China's smart EV penetration rate exceeds by 90% by 2030, right? In the opinion of Mr. William Lee, the date is today is June 15, founder of the chairman and CEO of NIO. Electrical vehicle is expected to be spread rapidly over 10 years as a demand as a general public to be activated. So this is what he's forecasting, that there'll be a huge demand on that, right? Browsing to this article, like on May, like in China, the EV sectors were like 9%, 9%, right, 11%, and now in May, they had a rapid growth of 12%, right? That's a massive. It's a growth. Like we can see from 9, it's slowly the demand for EV in China is huge, and European countries as well as in the United States. So let's talk about the stock, right? What are we expecting it? We still have about 5 minutes left for the market to close. We're trading at $4.45.30 right now. So let's go back and look at our favorite 6 months time frame, right? We talked about it numerous times. Like this is we're going to be the huge resistance that we need to break out and hold, and we failed to do that, right? And that is the $46.29 level. And we acted as a support, right, for a while, but unfortunately we break out. Now we'll be acting as a resistance, right? And yesterday's videos that I published, I didn't mention it for the healthy pullback, because we time and time, once we have this massive run like this, folks, we have a pullback to reset, to go test higher highs, right? Test it again, we pull back, test our 60-day moving average, folks. Watch this video very carefully, because it might be very helpful for even for you a day trader or long term, right? Whatever your options is. But this is a 60-day moving average. Every time we have touched the 60-day moving average, we have made a higher highs. So we have created a higher highs at all the times. Today we are touching on the 60-day moving average, and I'm expecting this Friday the stock to be over $47, right? Or close to $47, right? I cannot predict future, but this is all based on my opinion and based on my technical analysis. MACD was a massive sell-off. We can see it was coming through. RSI looks solid. This is I wanted to cool it off, which it did. Now it's gonna have a higher high being created. All these great news are coming in, and it's slowly been factored in, folks. It's finally been factored in. Like we had this massive run, right? We are on our 1 year, 1 day chart, and we'll see on these key levels that our moving average are still lining perfectly, that nothing is wrong. Like I know we're down by 2.9%, and we still have like about 3 minutes for the market to close, and we are not like, everybody's like, okay, NIO is going back or whatever. It's nothing like that, folks. We were just testing to getting a reset of higher highs. Like last time we did that, we had a rapid move from up to the 45 level, and we fell and we broke out. We broke out that level, as same as that one. It was $46.59. Yeah. So we need to keep an eye. Is that $46.38 was not the 59, 38 cents. We need to keep an eye in order to break that. Once we break that 46, we need to trade for that day or two above that resistance line in order to have a proper confirmation that it is a bull or an uptrend reversal is coming, right? Like I said, I expected this pullback to come of the 2%. Like previously, we closed at $46.55. We are right now at $45.21. So we are not like, we are bound to see like a 4 to 5% drop, right? I know it is close to a 3% drop, but we are not there where we used to expect a massive drop on that. We're creating higher highs, right? We are creating higher highs and higher lows. So maybe, yeah, 60-day, once again, folks, 60-day, we need to keep an eye. Every time we touch the 60-day, we had an uptrend for the next couple trading days. Well, folks, that's all I have for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos, folks. I love NIO. I'm here with you guys in the same for NIO. We're gonna have a massive run for the next couple of years, right? All right, folks. Thank you very much for watching the video.